students, how are you all? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, today we are going to learn wellness subject. Okay children, before starting with the topic, last time I have given you some homework. First you have to tell them whether you all have completed the homework. Yes, I have given you this homework, whereas you were supposed to paste a picture of yourself as a baby here, okay, and right now the present photograph here. So have you all done this activity at home? Yes, have you all done? Very good. So children, what you have noticed in these two pictures, whereas where you were a baby and right now the present photograph, what things you all have understood from these two photographs? Yes, very good. First you all were a small baby, like a small baby you were, okay. Then after few days, right now how you all are? Yes, you all have grown up. Yes, so these are the two things in these two photographs, okay. For that sake I have given you this homework which is related to our today's topic. So today we are going to have a very great interesting topic which is related to our health and physical development, okay. Health means what? Yes, right, हमारी तबीयत, okay, that is our health. And what is physical development? Physical development means our body development, okay, which physical activities we do, that is related to health and physical development. So today we are going to have this session which is related to health and physical development, okay. So you have to take out your wellness book, page number 2020, okay. So children, in this topic first we are going to see growing up, okay. Now tell me, what is the meaning of growing up? Yes, what is the meaning of growing up? Yes, very good. Growing up means to develop, okay. Yes, so that is the meaning of growing up. And you can see here, you just open the page number 20 of your awareness book. I'll explain you on the board, okay. Yes, so today we are going to have a session of health and physical development, okay. Yes, now you have to open page number 2020, okay. Have you all opened this page? Yes, what you can see here on this page? See here, see the heading, GROWING, growing, UP, up. What is the meaning of growing up? Just now teacher has told you. Yes, to grow up means what? Yes, to do means to develop, okay. That is the meaning of growing up, okay. So what is given here? We all grow as living beings, okay. As we all are human beings, we are growing, okay. Means we grow, so we do the development, yes or no? Yes. So what happens when we develop? What happens when we grow up? That we are going to see. The very first thing is we change as we grow, okay. Now for example, when you were a small baby, see here in the first picture, what is this? Yes, it is a small baby. So you can see whether this baby is able to stand. No, it's just crawling, yes or no? When you were a small baby, that time also you were first starting with crawling, yes or no? Yes. Then in the second step, see, what you can see? The baby, he is grown up, yes or no? And he is able to stand now, okay? So, as means what is given here? We change as we grow. You can see the change. The baby was just crawling first, then he is able to stand, okay. Our body changes. Your body, it gets changes. Means what changes you can observe in your body? Come on, tell me. Yes, what changes you can see when you grow up in your body? Yes, your body shape may start to change, okay. The shape of the body will start changing, okay. Yes or no? Yes. And also your muscles get developed, okay. The muscles, tissue, they are formed in your body and you will become taller, yes or no? You can see here, this is a small baby and now this boy, he is little bit taller, yes or no? So you will become taller and more means your develop your muscles, okay, develop more muscles, and also your shoulder gets broader, okay, your shoulder gets broader. This physical change you can see in your body when you are growing up, okay. So write the first stage. This is a small baby. So what is this stage known as? Yes, first I will explain you what are the 7 stages of a human body, okay. In human's life, as we all are human beings, we have to go through 7 stages of our life. The very first stage of our life is being a small baby. See this, infant. This is known as infant. Means a small baby, okay. Small baby, that is known as a infant. After that, the second stage of our life is early childhood. What is the second stage? It is early childhood. Okay, this is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3, the next stage you can see, still the baby, it is growing, means it is looking little bit taller, yes or no? Yes. So this stage is known as middle childhood, okay. I will write over here. This stage is known as middle once again I will explain you all. The very first one is, what is this? Infant. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant, the very first stage of a baby, okay. Second one is, what is this? Early childhood, okay, early childhood. Now, infant means how many years old? Yes, this is from 2 months to 1 year, okay. A baby of 2 months to 1 year is known as a infant. In early childhood, the child, he starts growing, and that is the age from his birth, okay, from his birth to 8 years. Okay, yes, early childhood is right from the birth to 8 years, okay. Now the third stage is middle childhood. This is the third stage, and this is middle childhood, okay. Yes, this is the first, this is the second, now this is the third, okay. So middle childhood is the third stage of our life, and it is from the age group 6 years to 12 years, okay. The child who is between 6 to 12 years, this stage is known as middle childhood, okay. Now coming to the fourth stage of our life, that is known as adolescence, okay, adolescence, okay. And this stage is between 10 years to 19 years, okay, 19 years, okay. Adolescent stage is between 10 to 19 years, and this is the fourth stage of our life. Now coming to the fifth stage. So fifth stage is early adulthood, Which is the fifth stage? Number 5 is early adulthood. Okay, and it is between 20 years to 35 years. Okay, this stage of life, that is early adulthood, is between 20 to 35 of your age. Okay, this is the fifth stage, that is early adulthood. Okay, now coming to the sixth stage, that is middle adulthood. Okay, this is the sixth stage and this is middle adulthood, and this stage is between which years? Come on, do you have any guess? Okay, I will tell you. Middle adulthood age, this stage is from the year 40 years to 60 years. Okay, from the age 40 to 60, this stage is known as middle adulthood. Okay, this is the sixth number stage of our life. Now coming to the last stage, this is number 7. Okay, this is old age. This old age stage is between 16 above, sorry, it is from 60 to 65 years and above that. Okay, and above. See here, old age means it is from 60-65 years and above. Okay, whose age is from 60 to 65 and above that, that stage is known as old age stage. Okay, what it is known as? Old age stage. Understood everybody? Now see here, the very first thing is what? This is a small baby. Yes or no? Number 2, it has come to the early childhood. It started growing. Now third one is middle childhood. Again the child, it started growing. Can you see the difference? Small, this became tall, again tall, tall, like that. Okay, and after that middle childhood, which is from 6 to 12 years. Okay, and adolescence is from 10 to 19 years, like this boy. Okay, after that early adulthood. Adult means to become a person. Okay, first these are small children, they started, now this is a boy, this is a young boy, and now adult age. Okay, which is from 20 years to 35 years. Okay, after that early adulthood, 20 to 35 years. After that middle adulthood, which is 40 years to 60 years. Can you see the difference? What difference you can see in early adulthood and middle adulthood? Yes, very good. The age is increasing and you can see the physical changes also. Yes or no? After that, coming to the old stage, you can see your grandmother, grandfather at your home. Yes or no? Their age is above 60. So they are in the old age stage. You can see they are taking something support. They are taking some support for them as their age is growing. Yes or no? So this is the old stage of life. So in this way, there are 7 stages of our means physical development, like growing up stages. They are 7, and in these 7 stages we can see lot many difference in our physical body. Okay, in our physical activities, in our body we can see many things. So such as we change as we grow. Now we have seen how changes are there when we grow. Yes or no? Our body changes. Now you can see the changes in the body. Yes or no? Yes. Our likes and dislikes change. Whatever your likes, what you like, or you something you dislike, that get changes as you grow. Okay, so have you all understood this part? Yes, have you all understood this part? Okay, so have you all understood what are the 7 stages of growing up? Okay, So now I will tell you something more about growing up. Okay, children. So why it is necessary to grow up? Yes, do you know? Why do we need to grow up? Because when you are growing young, your mind is new, like a blank canvas, okay? But as you grow, you get to stretch it and use it in many ways that you have never thought possible, okay? Growing up gives you chance to expand your thinking, and also it will encourage you to create your own beliefs, opinions and values. For these reasons, it is very important for us to grow up, okay? Also, growing up is a very good thing. Why? Now, while growing up, what you can see the changes in you? The changes are like you are becoming smart. Yes or no? The first thing is you are becoming smart. Okay. The second one is your body stops surprising you. Okay. Your body stops surprising you. Third one is you begin to understand your parents very well. Okay. You begin to understand your parents better. Means whatever your parents are suggesting you, you are having that much thinking skills to understand them. Okay. Fourth one is you begin to understand yourself. Fourth one is you begin to understand yourself more. Means you are able to understand your own self. You start eating the things which you used to hate. Okay. Whichever things you were not means you were hating, you don't like them, that things you start means what? You start eating them, like food items, whichever, like sometimes you don't like green leafy vegetables. So after growing up, your likes and dislikes also changes, and you learn to adapt the change. As you grow up, you are able to adapt the changes. Okay. So these are the very important things which are related to growing up. Okay. Have you all understood? Yes, children, have you all understood what are the things related to growing up? Now I will show you one more example. Here it is given. Like us, plants also grow and change. As we have learned earlier, the process of germination, in that how we have seen the plant, it starts growing from a seed. When we sow the seed, yes, it starts swelling and a small plant is formed. Yes or no? After few days, again the plant will grow bigger like this. After few days, again it starts growing. In this way, the plant grows up. It gives fruits, flowers to us. Yes or no? So like us also, like human beings, we are human beings. So like us, plants also, they grow. Okay. So have you all understood what is the meaning of growing up? Okay. Very nice. Now fold your hands and observe this, okay?
We all grow up as living beings. We change as we grow. Our body changes, growing up. We all grow up as living beings. We change as we grow. Our body changes. Our likes and dislikes change. Like us, plants also grow and change.
Okay, so have you all understood how we grow? Yes, from a small baby, the very first stage is infant. This is small baby, then a child, then this child is growing up little bigger, taller, okay, then becoming adult, okay, middle adult age. Now this is, what is this? Yes, come on, tell me fast, which stage is this? Yes, middle childhood. After that, old age. So as we grow, our body also changes. So these are the things you have to keep in mind. Okay. After this, now you have to turn the page. Children, have you all observed when we are a small baby, see the the color of hairs, it is black. It is till up to middle adult age, okay, adolescence and early adulthood, sorry, middle and old age stage, where we see the physical changes like the color of the hairs, it starts becoming gray to white. You can see, yes, at your house also, at your home also you can see your grandparents. Can you see them? Yes, can you see now? Yes, so you can find out the changes what are between from a small infant to this old age stage, okay. So these things you have to keep it in your mind. Now coming to the next page, open this page, page number 27, basic body movements, okay. What we are going to see now? Basic body movements. Take the activities you can do on your own. See now, here some activities are given. So which activities you can do by your own self, that you have to tick mark, okay. You can brush your teeth with your own, or you can take or you'll take the help from your mother, father. You'll brush your teeth by your own. Very good. So you have to tick mark here. You can have your breakfast by your own. Yes, you can have your breakfast by your own, or your mama will feed you. You can have. Very good. So tick mark. You can wear your shoes by your own, tie the lace, or your mama she will tie the lace. Yes, okay, by your own. Very good. So tick mark. You can take a bath by your own self. Very nice. So you have to tick mark. See here, the girl, what she is doing, she is wearing socks. You all can wear by your own. Very good. So it is very important for us to do our own activities by our own self, okay. Yes, and we can use our different body parts to perform the routine activities, okay. In this way you will be able to become independent, okay. You will not need anyone's help to do your daily routine. So you have to be very active. You have to do all the activities by your own, okay. So have you all understood? So children, today we have learned a very interesting topic that is related to health and physical development. So have you all understood the topic? What we have learned in health and physical development? Yes, very good. We have learned about growing up. Growing up means to develop, okay. And also I have told you the stages of growing up, okay. So have you all, do you remember what teacher has taught you? What is the first stage? That is infant. Yes. Second one is early childhood. Very good. Third one is middle childhood. Fourth number is adolescence. Fifth is early adulthood. Yes or no? Sixth is middle adulthood. 7 number last is old age stage, okay. So you have to keep in mind all these 7 stages of growing up, okay children. So I hope that you all have understood our today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.